We're going to make that hot chili oil. So we have all this garlic.
Okay.
We're gonna slice quite a bit for our chili oil.
I love the smell right now.
Okay, so we have plenty of garlic ready to go.
Okay.
Anytime I'm cooking garlic, I always start with cold oil rather than hot. You
Okay.
want the garlic to kind of come to heat with the oil because you don't want it to get too toasty and brown and then it becomes bitter. So we're gonna put this on the cooktop here. We'll see the garlic kind of sizzle. This will take maybe 5 minutes. We have some fennel seeds. I'm gonna let you do the hard work. We're looking for the fennels to be crushed and a little powdery, but still some texture. That should be good. We also have our red pepper flakes and hot paprika. The paprika is gonna add this kind of smoky flavor and also a beautiful color, while the red pepper flakes are gonna give heat.
I don't use enough spices in my cooking. I'm positive of that.
And so now we'll turn that off because it will continue to darken. And then if you wanna add the spices.
Oh, this is gonna be exciting.
And the reason why we add the spices at the end rather than the beginning is because if you add it in the beginning, they'll all burn.
Right.
And at the end, we're just kind of blooming the spices.
Okay. It smells so good.
We are going to just let this kind of cool to room temperature, and we're gonna drape that over the tomatoes.
Good. You're a genius.
No.
Yes, you are. Wow.
I mean,
That's the cover of a cookbook.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good. It's pretty good.